friendliness of everybody, the engagement everybody's having with us about the products, talking to us about the detail. I've never seen anything like it before. I've been to many factories, but this, coming to China first time and seeing the whole setup in China and Fairland setup is just, second to none, best I've ever seen. So,
how much attention to detail goes into your quality control of your product, and it really shows from the start to the finish.
The quality processes and the checks that you go through in each and every stage of the process is really, really good.
It's just how efficient everyone is, how organised, everyone looks really kind of happy and engaged in their work.